Okay, dudes and dudettes, we're going and, I don't like that intro. That intro was garbage. Okay, dudes and dudettes, we're doing some more Amaro. Today, tasting Amaro dell'Etna. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And today we are helping you know more and drink better on the subject of Amaro. I bought this beautiful bottle, right? You know I'm a sucker for anything that's sort of light blue, sky blue, powder blue, Keene blue for your URI graduates like myself. This Amaro dell'Etna is the latest addition to my Amaro collection. And, Amaro, bitter liqueur, or it's technically means bitter, translates to bitter in Italian, but doesn't always have to be bitter, right? So I think Amaro's not quite having a moment, but it's gaining in popularity, gaining some steam. So we're trying to keep the momentum going with this category. You can have an Amaro before a meal, after a meal, in a cocktail. And I think, personally, over the last 5 to 7 years, I've really explored and gone pretty deep in the Amaro category. And I feel like I've just barely scratched the surface. So we're going to keep doing it to help you guys. So, ooh, boy. Chocolate and orange peel and spice. Just gorgeous. So this Amaro dell'Etna, right, is from Etna. We just recently did a, what the hell did we do? We did a Sicilian wine. It's escaping me. Oh, it was a Norello Mascalese. It was like a week ago, but my mind is shot. So this is an Italian bitter liqueur from Etna, down in Sicily. Like I said, there's a little cinnamon coming through now. So we got some chocolate, some orange peel, the spice. I said spices, but I'm getting some cinnamon now. I have to spit because I'm doing like 9 videos right now. I'm going to do 9 videos, batch them up so I can provide you with a lot of content. That has a really pleasant coffee aftertaste. It's almost like there were a couple of little bits of ground espresso in the glass. It's not, again, Amaro translates to bitter, but this is only marginally bitter. There's a nice amount of chocolate. There's a hint of citrus, but I get a really nice coffee note. So my sense is, at least for this particular Amaro, I would lean towards having it after a meal, and I would lean towards putting it in a cocktail that involved whiskey. And I think you'll be really pleased. One of the tricks, one of the easy things to do is to swap out your sweet vermouth for Amaro in a Manhattan. Make it a black Manhattan if you have a Verna, which will be coming up on a future video, or just make it a, blackish Manhattan if you have another Amaro that has some similar characteristics. I hope everyone's doing well this year, right? So far, it's been a good start to 2023, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Cheers.